Students, let me read second stanza. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye here, eventide? Now see here, hard words. A means here archaic word. Archaic means old English word you. Eventide means what? Eventide means late evening. Now in the second stanza, a fellow pilgrim means the pilgrim who passes, means comes after the old pilgrim. Here pilgrim means what? A person who travels, he takes journey for religious purpose. So the fellow pilgrim who comes after him asks the old pilgrim, old man, why waste your time in building here? He was building a bridge across the ravine or the chasm, and that time, why waste your time? Why are you wasting your time in building a bridge here? Your journey ends with the close of the day means here your journey ends with the close of the day means now you have already crossed the chasm and you have completed the journey. Now again, why should you build a bridge here? You never again will pass this way. You are not going to come back again. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Deep and wide means here deep and wide. Almost these two words convey here same meaning. This one, deep chasm, which is very deep and wide also. So you have already crossed. Why build ye here eventide? Even after crossing the deep ditch or chasm, why should you build here a bridge? Here some important words here, close of the day, and some words convey literal meaning and actually figurative meaning is also there. Implied meaning is there. That implied meaning I am going to explain afterwards. Let me give the explanation. A fellow traveler asked him why he is wasting his time building the bridge, for his journey is over and he will never pass that way again. The fellow traveler is puzzled and asks again why the pilgrim who has already crossed the deep and wide ravine is building a bridge so late in the evening. Let us see the figure of speech here. Why waste your time in building here? As I already explained, this figure of speech is interrogation. Interrogation is a figure of speech. It's a question. Question is not asked for getting answer, but it gives a poetic effect. Why build a here at eventide? Here also interrogation is there. Let us see the rhyme scheme here. See here, first two lines. Here means near here. So, then day way, wide tide. Then here, DD, again here, AA, DD, AA and BB. See the line here. So, BB, DD, AA and BB.